G'day folks, well today I went to the tip shop and bought this old Impulse Start Victa utility. Quite a nice solid looking mower. Hasn't had fuel in it for a very long time. I've just sort of had a look in the tank and had a bit of a whiff, and it's just got that sort of musty, stale sort of smell, but nothing nasty in there. It's been left empty. So first things first, I might just put some fuel in it to see where it leaks from, and assuming it does leak, and then see if we can make it run. I've got some fuel in there and haven't got any leaks. Fuel tickler seems to work. I might just give it a little bit of throttle. And give it a try. One more turn. One more go. Oi. She'll cheat. It's firing. More throttle. Open it up all the way. Adjustment segment. You can get those new if you look around still, and or do what everyone else does and modify what's there. It's not the original colour or anything, but what a cool old unit. So I've just given it a quick wash. That's all I'm going to do with it for now. Put it away and do a sort of a restoration series on that later. But no, I'm very happy with that. Amazing what some people throw away, because you know, it's still going to outlast anything made today as it sits, with a little bit of repair work. Anyway, thanks for watching.